Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix black screen issue in your device Samsung A03 and A03s. So if you're having any trouble like white screen and grayscale screen in your device Samsung A03 and A03s, you can fix it by following a few steps, which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix black screen, white screen and grayscale screen issue in your device.